Welcome! This guide will help you install your smart Wi-Fi dimmer switch. Only install the smart dimmer switch if you are familiar and comfortable with electrical work. If not, contact a qualified electrician. Improperly installing a light switch will greatly increase the risk of fire, electric shock, and other injuries. eTech City cannot guarantee the quality of installation and cannot cover associated costs. This is what you'll need: wire nuts, the smart dimmer switch, a wire strip or pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a non-contact voltage tester, and insulated gloves. Check that the voltage tester is working by testing a powered electrical cable. If the voltage tester lights up, it's working. Before installation, turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Take the faceplate off, but don't touch any wires in case they still have current. Use the voltage tester to thoroughly test for any current around the light switch. If the tester does not light up, it means the circuit is not powered and it is safe to start installation. Unscrew the mounting screws and pull out the old light switch without detaching the wires. Check for 4 wires. These wires are 1 ground wire, 1 neutral wire, 1 line wire, and 1 load wire. If you don't see 4 wires, the smart switch may not be compatible. You can check other light switches in your home to see if they are compatible or contact an electrician to install the light switch. Test again for any current around the wires. Unscrew a wire and straighten it out with the pliers. Then twist on a wire nut. Repeat for all 4 wires. This is your smart dimmer switch. The green wire is the ground wire. The white wire is the neutral wire. The black wire is the line wire. And the red wire is the load wire. Connect the green wire on the smart dimmer switch to the ground wire, which is usually green, and screw a wire nut tightly on the end. Connect the white wire on the smart dimmer switch to the neutral wire, which is usually white, and screw a wire nut tightly on the end. Connect the black wire on the smart dimmer switch to the line wire, which is usually black, and screw a wire nut tightly on the end. Connect the red wire on the dimmer switch to the load wire, which is usually red. And screw a wire nut tightly on the end. If necessary, wrap electrical tape around the wires to make sure the copper conductors are fully concealed. Push the wires and wire nuts back into the junction box. Line up the smart dimmer switch with the junction box and screw in the mounting screws. Then, snap the faceplate on tightly. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test the smart dimmer switch by turning it on and off. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your smart dimmer switch.